Go guys, back with the 97 Ford Powerstroke OBS. Just kind of going over a couple things here. Took it to my buddy's shop, AJ Gore. If you ever need any work, especially exhaust, audio, any of that good stuff, go see him. And yes, I won this truck from Loud and Proud sweepstakes. Beautiful truck, low mileage, no rust. Really great shape. Yesterday we did all the fluids, filters. AJ redid the exhaust, got it all cleaned up and nice. I just switched out these tail lights. LED lights all over the place, except it still had the bad or original tail lights, so we swapped those over. Have a look at this exhaust. And it sounds really good. Big old wheels. Interior of this truck is really clean. No tears or wear in the seat. No cracks in the dash. Really nice. Not bad, pretty clean under the hood. Future plans for this, I already ordered the intercooler kit to bolt onto this. Keep it nice and cool. Also ordered the 6-position tuner. Probably run it on the medium stage. Want it little performance without tearing it up. Alright guys, well, that'll be it for this video. I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to continue to make videos. I got lots of projects around here. Of course, we're going to do a few things to this, and stay tuned.